Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're playing Human Facility. In the facility map, we're playing with three people. For some reason, one person left. And today we'll just be trolling these people for like 15 minutes and get them we'll come in clutch and get them right at the end. So we've spawned in gray, and I'm like, do you wanna? I'm like, if you wanna, I'm asking if they wanna abuse or do it for real, and most of them are just want to do for you. So yeah. Now a person decides to join, but just when my V storm starts. Awesome, wow. I'm checking blue. Yeah, there's one in blue and two hidden people in blue. Wow. Yeah, got both of them. I got 100 ping, so I'm not laggy. Uh, yeah. Sorry for the upload delay. And have you seen my new profile picture? I hope you guys like it. It was fan made. A friend of mine made it for me. I'll put his username on the screen. His Roblox username. Okay, great. Oh god. Will he get away? Wait. What? Wait. Did he? Oh my god. He got away. I predicted him, I think. This is just so rusty right now. Please get him. Hold back. No. That was so bad. They're just not coming in my hand right now. They don't want to get caught. Oh wow, they're splitting apart. Oh, they saved. Okay. Oh god, that was so bad. Please get him. Please get him. Also, it's been a while since I did a voice video, so I decided to do one. Okay. We've just lost all three of them. And this is a long round though. Okay, he's door trolling me. And he trolls me once again with his vents. Great. Um, there's one in gray, one in blue, so it's kinda like doubles. Kinda. It's double blue, so yeah, it's doubles. Oh, I think he's dead. Oh no, he's not dead. Okay, please get him. Yep, he's dead. Window climb. Oh, wonder where the other two are. Okay, I guess that's my answer. Oh, please get him. 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 I think I'm gonna air him. I think I'm gonna air him. That was such an air and so good. What is this air? I spared them because I felt bad. Although by now I would have won the round. So yeah, he got spared because I'm just too generous. His position. Wow. I could have gotten anyone from the two, but I decided to get this level 600. Okay. Yeah, he's trapped. Thank God I shut the door. Woohoo. Please get it. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now, I love this round. Oh, I didn't even know he was in the locker. Okay, I love this round because there's double tubes and double computers too, which just makes it uh, double trouble for them. Okay, wow, hit it at the wrong time. And of course, this guy manages to not get away. And of course, I managed to get him like that. Wall bang. Oh my god. Why do they not like getting wall banged? I want to wall bang them. Shut this door. Okay. Wallbang, they really hate being wallbanged, but they like being hit normally. Or when did I use runner? What do you mean, Q? Okay, they're dead once again. All right. This round is so repetitive. Well, the reason is double blue. Got you in. Trying to wallbang, and once again, they don't like being wallbanged. And yeah, all of that because I have the skills of window climbing. I'm pretty sure this is a Vietnamese server, which is fine because my ping is good in Vietnamese servers. I'm not. Sorry if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's Vietnamese. Oh, okay, he got up. Why did he keep his name Rice? Out of all the things he could have kept his display name, he kept it Rice. He got aired through the door. Um, oh, that makes sense because his username has Rice in it. Of course, he gotta use Runner to get him. And that guy got up too, and they just don't like being wallbanged. And they also don't like being hit apparently. But he likes being hit. He likes being AFK. I'm sorry for no reason. Bro tried to troll me so hard. He really tried to troll me. Please go in the room. Then both of you went. Perfect. I mean, no wonder they went in. Their health was low too. Yeah, blood, you get a hit. Yeah. Get in. The tube. Okay. Oh, that is so funny. The door was blocked, so I knew he was trying to like open the door, and he realized I was there, so he left the door, and then I knew he was close by, so I opened the door and used runner because he was there. Because I knew he was there. Okay, I missed that terribly, and another failed wall bang. And another failed escape. Oh wait, what was that? Air? Yeah. I mean not air, I meant broken. I can't speak today. And bro did not want to run. Bro didn't feel like running. I'm pretty sure he's AFK right now. Yeah. Both of them just trapped themselves. Bro, why did I use runner? Like that. I should have used runner a little earlier, like just when I hit him. Yay, got all of them again. 6 minutes left. Oh god, this is so boring. Why do I keep sparing them? I don't understand what I was thinking that round. I should have just put them in capsules and just went with the flow, but no, spare them. You have to clutch the round. You have to do it last second. Yeah, they're both trapped. And when I hit one, I'm gonna use runner, obviously. And sometime that was such an error. Why? What was he trying to do? Okay, one more spare. Why not? We're gonna just keep sparing them for like 6 minutes until it's like the last few seconds. I'm just waiting for that dude to get up so that I can put him in a capsule and hit him. Okay, yeah, he got away. Yeah, he also got away. Whoa! I went through the door. I'm pretty sure I went through the door on his screen. tried. The way he just like flew, kind of like a small little jump. Oh god. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Good. No. Get aired. Get aired. No! That's so sad. I felt like he was there. Oh, he is there. Just rope him real quick. Window climb. Go. Go at his. Okay, he got away. And he's gonna. I kind of just tricked them. Wait, no way, no way that just happened. No, now I need to get him. Now that he did that, I need to get him. Yeah, but they hacked Double Blue. That's horrible. That's so bad. How dare you go, L? You toxic rice. That sounds so pathetic, though. Oh yes, let's go, double hit. Wait, he's here. He's here. Okay, he got away. They just don't like being all banned. But what did I hit? I didn't understand. And he's like, I'm near dead, please. Of course I spare him. Out of all the things I can do, spare him. Why not? Bro, you literally said you're near dead. Why are you staying in the room? Out of all the things you could be doing right now, you're just staying in the room. Now I just... Okay. Yeah. Just stay there. Please don't shut the door. Oh my god. How dare you shut the door on me? I'm pretty sure he's gonna go back to the room. That's why I'm kind of going back and forth, because I feel like they're gonna go back to blue just for hacking. Okay, he's not there. Alright. None in grass. Why don't I know the sports? Why am I saying sports? I know the sports. It's so sad that blue is gone now. Now it's like so far away. Oh my god, that is so close. No. Oh, they both are here. That's perfect. Just stay, both of you. The both of you should stay. Oh, you're going somewhere else. Of course you're going there, aren't you? East. Oh my god, what is with this hammer? That was supposed to be a flick. I so hit him. Just can you come to my hammer real quick? My blue little cute hammer, 3rd anniversary. You're just gonna do that dumb little vent. It looks so funny though. He looks like a little fish trying to get in the water when they get, trapped by the fishermen in the net. I'm just gonna shut this door real quick. He's still in there. Why is he still in there? And now he's gonna leave now that I'm in the room. It's so annoying. Okay, now you're there. There's only 1 minute left. Like 1.5 minutes left. I need to be a little quick. Considering how high these levels are, I should be a little bit faster. Oh, he messed up. He choked. Let's go. Now, I'm 70% sure he's in blue. Pretty sure he's in blue. That's the other spot which they have somewhat hacked. I'm pretty sure he's been hacking it for a while. I'm just gonna go put him there and check. Oh yeah, I'm correct. Now he's done for. He's done for now. Oh yeah, I got him. Let's go. Last minute. Yay. But yeah, in the last 44 seconds I put him in capsule. But honestly thinking, I should have not used runner back then. I should not have used runner. Sorry Sorry for that sound. I shouldn't have used run at that time. I should have used run a little later because he was really close to saving. That was a really close save. I just aired him really bad. But this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.